Welcome, welcome, Amazon sellers and soon to be Amazon sellers. It's Tim from ALGO Online Retail. And today I want to give you a quick behind the scenes look at something most Amazon gurus will never be able to say. We don't just teach Amazon from the outside, we also teach from the inside. So, what does that mean? Well, our sister company, ALGO is the only official Amazon mentor in Mexico, fully sanctioned by Amazon corporate. And why am I telling you this? Because in November, our Spanish speaking division, led by my friends Santiago and Pato, partnered with the Amazon Mexico Marketplace team to host an exclusive 2-day Amazon FBA experience in Mexico City for our members. This was real access with real Amazon teams inside real Amazon facilities. It was all pretty awesome, and I want to keep you in the loop. The event's purpose was simple. We wanted our Algo community to see how FBA works from the inside, how Amazon evaluates sellers, and what Amazon is actually rewarding right now. And Amazon Mexico wanted us to help more sellers launch on Amazon, so it was a win-win. Now, day one was wild. We went inside Amazon Mex 6, the biggest fulfillment center in Mexico. Our sellers watched the full process, receive, scan, store, pick, pack, ship, and suddenly all those annoying requirements make sense because you can literally see how one small mistake turns into delays, extra fees, and performance issues. But day two is what made it really special. We did a private workshop at Amazon Corporate in Polanco, a ritzy part of Mexico City, with over 50 Algo members led by Santiago and Amazon's marketplace team. They broke down what categories are growing, what customers are searching for, what trends they're seeing in Mexico and the US. So instead of guessing, our community learned straight from Amazon employees who analyze marketplace data every day. And that's the big takeaway. Most people learn Amazon from outdated videos. Algo learns Amazon from the source, and that Spanish division in Mexico, that relationship, it's a huge part of how we bring real value to sellers like you in the US and Canada. Now, if you want to learn how we teach this step by step inside Algo, click below and register for my free training this week. We'll show you the exact system to get your first sales on Amazon, even if you're starting from zero. So click below, and I'll see you there. Adios for now.